Hey guys, welcome back to the ITP Live show. I'm your host Aman, and today we are going to talk about how to earn money on social media. There are more money-making opportunities on social media than you realize. Many people think that social media is a way of connecting with people, which is true, but it's not the only advantages that you can get from using the different platforms. One of the ways in which you can make money is to contact startup brands and ask them to pay a small fee to promote their products on your profile. Platforms like InstaShop and brands promoting their products online through social media means that they will use content creators to promote what they are selling. Get ahead of the game and message them first. Another way that you can start making money is by going on TikTok Live and receiving gifts. TikTok has introduced gifts as a way of appreciating creators' work. Anyone can receive a gift, and this translates into money, which is held in your balance pot on TikTok. After you hit a certain amount of coins, you can take the money out of your account, schedule in your live videos, and start interacting with your followers. Start selling your own products. As I said before, social media has introduced so many ways of being able to promote and sell products. So why not start your own? If you're a beauty content creator, look into products that you can sell online. If your followers trust you, then you can build on this and be able to sell your products through your profile. Affiliate marketing. This means that you can make money by promoting products of other companies using a unique link which you get after signing up with them. Promoting Amazon products, for example, with a unique link and one of your followers buying using that link will allow you to make money and earn a commission. Not only is it about selling, but it is also about building your profile. Once you have a good amount of followers, it is easy to make money from your social media platform. Ways you can build your profile is from boosting your content, giving away freebies, sharing personal stories and information, and tightening your niche to make it relevant to your interests and your hobbies. It is important to remember that making money on social media isn't necessarily easy, but there are many ways to work hard, test, experiment with different avenues. Give it a try and see what happens. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you are watching on YouTube, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're listening to us on a podcast, then make sure you click follow. See you next week.